Hi guys, this is Ethan and today in this video we are going to be unboxing a hoverboard. So let me just do a turn around. Right, so that's the colour, as you can probably see there. So let's turn it back around. Same each side. So let's just get opening it. So if you're thinking, no, I have not had a haircut, I have not. I just decided to do my hair today. Because I never do my hair. So right, as you can probably see it there. Right, so they've got the charger with everything in it. We have user's manual, get lost. Right, getting on to this. The reason that I didn't get this from China was because they can't plug it to the side. So this, it says there, if you can see it, fuse. It's where, because in China you can't like keep them on because they'll set on fire. You can keep it on because it just switches off by itself. Now let's get into the bad boy stuff. Oops. Right. Polystyrene's everywhere. I'll pick it up, don't worry. Right, boys. Flipping all this is heavy. Get out! Yes! Get lost, box. So guys, you can't see me. Yes! Yay! Woo! Finally got one! Yay! Right, so guys, this is kind of a bit pranky video and like a review on a Segway because I pranked my mum because my dad needed to message her and she said how to dig in because we went to Sheffield to get this. We did because I live in Ilkeston. We went to Sheffield to get this and then yeah, it was an hour drive there and yeah, now I got it. So I'm gonna take you guys on a little trip as sexy. Right, I shouldn't really be doing this. Right, let's go, guys. Hang on. Oh crap. It's weird.
You're not recording?
Yes, I am recording.